It's here. Mocha's excited. Box within a box. Here's the front of the box, top of the box, left side. Here's the back side. And this is the right side. All right, after removing the top part, first thing we see is, I believe it's the art book. All right, we're gonna show a little, don't wanna spoil it. Pretty cool, pretty cool. So yeah, that's the front, the back. Up next, we got the steel book, we got Abby, and then we got Ellie. Let's open this up. All right, so we open it up and we do get a code in the back of this paper right here. All right, and we got the data disc, and that's the actual disc you'll use to play the game. Play disc, data disc. Let's go. Okay, after we lift this up, we got some more goodies. First thing, the pins. Damn, they look nice. Can't wait to put it on my uniform when I go to work. Then we got some stickers. Last thing we got is the bracelet. I believe it's Ellie's. Very nice quality, doesn't feel that cheap. Here's the back. Okay, and I believe, oh, no, it's not. Okay, now I believe it's the statue. Oh my God, it's buried up in here. Yeah, this is gonna take me a God. Oh my God, it is pretty big. No cap, no homo. Ellie's face could have been a little bit better, but I'm not hating. Here's the back. We got some pins on the backpack. Oh my goodness. This is what it looks like compared to my Revenant from Doom 2016. I mean, it's pretty wide, I'm not gonna lie. Oh my goodness. And there you have it, guys. The collector's edition for The Last of Us Part 2. Make sure to give it a like if you like it. If you don't, dislike it, up to you guys. Comment down below if you like it. And I'll see y'all on the next video. Peace out. Y'all, my bad. I forgot to show y'all the thank you letter from Neil Druckmann, the director from The Last of Us Part 2. If y'all want to read it, pause the video. Here's some pretty cool artwork. And yeah, later guys.